How to check last 5 calls in Geo. Welcome to How to Do. I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about that how to check or find last 5 calls from your Geo number. Many time it happens that we call any number and we by mistake delete that and we need that number. Or many time it happens that anyone asks us that mobile for call and after that they delete that number. Then how we can find it out? First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe channel for get more videos like this. You have to download and install a Zio number. First of all, you have to install myjio app and after that enter your mobile number and enter the OTP. After that you will be logged into your mobile phone's app. Open the myjio app and after that you will see option for mobile over here. Click on that, this mobile option. One second, this one is a mobile, and from there you have to see many options. From there you have to choose this more option, and from there, one second, you have to choose my uses. When you click on my uses, you see internet uses, and above there you will see option for calls. Click on that call option and you will see last 5 calls did by you on any numbers. So that way you can learn and find out the last 5 calls. Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning new things every day.